Hello, crypto. Welcome to another episode of Crypto Rules Everything Around Me. Cream. Follow the cream, get closer to your dream. This channel is created for technical analysis, education purposes, and entertainment only. So nothing I say here is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so everything here is just my opinion, and it's just basically to track all the investment that I'm holding in crypto. So yeah, there's nothing here is financial advice, guys. Just enjoy the show and let's get into it. Yeah. Uh. Yeah. Uh. Okay. Let's not do it now. Um. It's kind of like a sad Sunday, I guess, because the market did drop last night. I wasn't able to make a video last night because I was busy. I got caught up with stuff, so I'm trying to make this video early morning. So because we have guests coming over later. I just want to update on, guys, 3 more days till Dogedash announces the big news. And even though the market is down, in general, as you can see right here, Bitcoin is the high of 41,000, low of 38,000. So it's touching that 37,000 support area again. I'm not going to get nervous until Bitcoin drops below 37,000 support, but as of now, the whole market is red and it's bleeding. So it's not a good look right now, guys. But it started for a new Monday, and it's ironic because it's Easter Monday, right? You're supposed to rise from the dead, but it's falling down in the depths of. I'm not even gonna say the word, but yeah. Anyways, guys, so let's look at Dogedash. Again, this episode is only Dogedash, and I'll cover TA with the other 4 coins I have in the other episode, but for now it's strictly Dogedash. And as you can see, guys, the volume is not as high for the daily price pool. It's only at 1.1 million, but the value has gone up because the price of Dogedash has been rallying. I think 6 days straight, guys. It's insane, you know. Like the hype on this news is just you can tell people are reacting to it. They're buying into it. But regardless of what the news is, I'm a long-term holder. People play it how you want to, but I am a long-term holder of Dogedash. And I'm excited for the news. And let's see how many players. Currently, there's only 66, so there's still 40 spots for the top 100, guys. So start dashing. Let's see if there's any news related to the crash. I doubt it. Crypto, I already posted it on my last video. North Korea was behind the Ronin hack. Podcast. Yeah, not much news going on unless I need another source for news, but that's all that's going on right now. Check your Twitter. If you guys are not following me yet on Twitter, follow me on Twitter. Sorry. Just let me check. Dogedash. If you guys are not following them on Twitter, guys, follow them. So they posted this, 4 days to go. You see the zombie hands. So, and if you guys still haven't joined the contest on Instagram, just post the Dogedash filter, and you have a chance to win to 1 million Dogedash, guys. That's worth over $200 right now. What else? Yeah, and you have deadline. I think you can only post until the 20th. So you guys should get going. Post those filters. Look at that. Some really cool creative stuff on the TA. Let's go on the TA. I'm nothing but excited about these charts, guys. Look at this. Bullish. Again, 1 hour chart. People make fun of me when I posted a 1 hour chart, but hey, it's still numbers. Numbers data. Look at that. It's beautiful. And you can clearly see the trend. I told you guys, right? That was the first point of contact on the trend line right there. You watch my last video. I'll post it on the top right. You can see I drew this trend line and it did touch. And it's just validating my 50 EMA cross, right? Here. I told you guys once the 50 EMA crosses and the price is above the 250, we can hope for a continuous bull trend. And I just like how this thing just consolidated right here. This consolidation tested that support. at this level, right? Um, and as we were going sideways, I like how the MACD did a hidden divergence. I keep speaking about this. I don't know. I'm gonna explain to you guys what a divergence is later on. But basically, when the trend is up and other indicators are going down, those are hidden divergences. That is bullish. It depends on how the market or the price action reacts to it. In the most basic term I can explain right now, but I can get into detail later on. But once this was going down, the price was still going up, I was still bullish. Once a bullish cross happened here, and look, it gapped up, two gap ups over here. And the only thing that's making me nervous, but even though it's another, the RSI hit as high as 86, guys, and then it pulled back. As you can see, that's normal. Anytime the RSI is over 70 or 80, expect a pullback. And so far, it only pulled back all the way to 67. I expect the RSI to hit around here again, I guess. Just test the support level, because it hasn't been below it on the hourly, right? This hourly, guys, if you measure this hourly, it's been a strong run since here. That's over 48 hours, 2 days of running, right? Of an uptrend. And I like how you can see, this is what I mean when the price of the crypto is way above the 50 and 200 EMA instead of just close together right here. This run will continue unless a serious sell order starts hitting, because we are in overbought. I keep mixing those up, guys. I'm gonna apologize if I keep mixing up the terms. Overbought is 70 and oversold is 30. So I might mix it up. I'm gonna apologize now, because yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna go back to RSI here. The support level at 57. So it'd be normal if I saw the RSI dip below and hit 57 and then shoot back up again and continue this trend. And I would expect the price to maybe even retest the 20 EMA. Worst comes, this support right here, that was a resistance. So basically, this resistance right here at 2 broke out, right? Once it broke out, I won't be surprised if the price retests this previous resistance, and then so I won't be surprised if it does this, right? A quick touchdown just to confirm it. Again, and if you can see the uptrend arrow, it'll just validate that trend, and the trend should continue. So this trend, I expect it to be touched a few more times until it gets broken. As you can see, the MACD as well, with the RSI overbought, MACD is doing the bearish cross. So I do expect a pullback down in price. I don't know how deep. Like I said, it could retest these levels at 2, which validates that previous resistance as a new support. At the same time, we could see another hidden divergence with the MACD as it trends downwards. If the price seems bullish, that is confirmed the hidden divergence. So that's another bullish signal in the 1 hour chart. Again, these are marked low caps. Anything's possible. Any big whale could dump, could send the price going in the opposite way, but I don't see why they would sell without knowing the news unless they have insider information. I've been trading stocks, options, and crypto for a while, where sometimes all of these guys just play the hype, right? I'm not saying most will. People who just trade for the percentage, you can't blame them. They will be in and out, and that's just how the market goes. And for those who hold, if the news is really, really, really big, as they make it seem to be, then it will pay off. As you can see, the volume, wow, we're at almost at 100K for the day. I was tracking the volume in my previous videos. Told you guys it grew from 17,000, 20,000, 60,000, and now we're at 100K. We're about to hit 6 figures, right? And it'd be interesting for the last 3 days. We'll see how this plays out. I expect another increase in volume, maybe even double to 200K. and then confirm the bullish trend. Like I said, in the 1 hour, the only thing I expect is this bearish cross for the green candle to cross over the red, just because the MACD levels are pretty high above the histogram, right? It's like this is the 0 level, so it's pretty high up. So I do it. It'll be normal if I see a retracement back down and do another hidden divergence as it did over here. Well, while MACD is going down, the price is still steadily rising. So I don't expect it to drop that sharply. Like you'll probably do a little bit like a more slanted way if the hidden divergence is true. And also the RSI, we could dip and retest, as I mentioned before, this level of support level at 57, which is normal, guys. These are just normal action. Don't expect everything to keep going up. Market goes up, down, and sideways. It never keeps going up forever, right? So as much as we're bullish, always expect retracement, which is normal, and it's healthy for the charts. So let's look at the daily. So that was the 1 hour, and the daily is, yeah, it's like I said, I keep saying that, I'm sorry. In my previous video, I told you guys the bullish crossover was about to hit the 10 with the 20 EMA. And if you don't know what EMA is, if you guys are new to my channel, click the link on the top right corner right now. I've explained what EMAs are and all the indicators I use, MACDs and RSI. So, but EMA and MACD are the main things I pay attention to. So the 10, these are my short-term trade signals, the 10 and 20 EMAs. When they cross over, I expect price action to be bullish. And I love how the price is now above the 10 and 20 EMA, just starting to break over the 50 EMA line, right? And I told you guys, bullish, bullish, bullish. Once the price goes above 50 EMA, which is this yellow line, nothing but bullish. And then I expect the 20 EMA to cross over the 50 EMA. That's another bullish signal. And I was kind of expecting a gap up after the daily broke over this resistance line right here. This resistance line at 207. 0.02207 has been a resistance for quite some time. How many days? Let's see. It's been below this price range for over 39 days, guys. So that's a long time. You know, we were embarrassed since we fell below the 50 EMA, and I'm gonna be bullish once the price goes over the 50 EMA. And these are my signals and indicators. Other people might use it, different ones. If they work for you, that's good, you know. But this is what works for me. And like I told you guys in the last video as well, this was a major resistance in the RSI, and it seems to be broken. That's another bullish thing. That's not a bullish sentiment for the price of Dogedash. No, I'm pretty sure if it was either here I posted, or it could be right here as well. But the main thing is it broke out this resistance at 48.50, so it has to stay above 50. And look at the MACD on the daily. It did the crossover right here, and it's just carrying over, right? So the trend is continuing. I'm bullish. It's nice to see the 50 EMA is being tested as the resistance, and it's currently just above it, just like a, you know, like a hairpin above the 50 EMA, which was the resistance was at 2.2, right? And we're currently at, you know, this has been some crazy price action. Honestly, I'm very excited for this project and what kind of news they're gonna come up with. Yeah, currently at 2248. So let's look at even the long term. People might say, oh, there's the market cap. You know what? This is me. Let me do my thing. I really don't care what you think. I'm just gonna keep doing my stuff. 50 weekly, there's not much yet going on because it is a new coin. And yeah, on the 3 days, you can see RSI needs to break over 50. And yeah, nothing but bullish signals for me. Alright guys, 3 more days. I'm so excited for this thing. I hope to see a lot of you guys in the AMAs. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. It is Easter Monday. I'm going to make another video of the other coins. So because I'm about to get busy later on the day. And hopefully, you guys enjoyed the TA for this Dogedash. Like and subscribe. See you guys later.